Okay, so I am up on the roof and I'm gonna walk around, talk about a few things that I found. Um, First of all, this is a architectural or laminated shingle, and it appears to be the 30-year variety. Um, so first thing that I noticed is that the roof, the shingles look like good, but then you see where this like glinting, and what I call it, where the granules are knocked off the edge and you can see the fiberglass. That's usually a sign of age, or somebody was walking on it, or just defective shingles. I've also seen where they've been sitting around for a while and moved around and then they get damaged that way. So I'm just thrown off by the age of the roof. So I'm not exactly sure of the age. But then I see this sort of thing here. So somebody has been up here, and they have done repairs. So there's this, which is not good at all. The shingles don't line up. You have exposed nails. This was like, I don't know. This is loose. Like I don't know if this was done recently, but you can see like this is moving back and forth. So, and it's it's not a good repair. I don't think this was done by a professional. I sure hope it wasn't done by someone that calls themselves a professional roofer. Like, yeah, this isn't even nailed. Like, this isn't even done properly at all. Like, this should, you start from the bottom and go up. There should be nails like sticking down through here, where this shingle here isn't even nailed. So yeah, this is probably gonna leak just the way it is, and it's definitely not gonna last. So, and then almost the whole roof is overexposed. So you see this shingle is like 3/8 quarter inch above where it should be. So if there was any sort of warranty, that probably would just go out the window because it wasn't installed correctly. And then yeah, like you just see like all this damage here. You can see all this glinting here. There's this, obviously that's not a shingle that should, or at least part of a shingle that should be exposed. This flashing is loose. The more I'm thinking about it, I feel like this roof was probably recently installed, but done by not professionals. We'll be nice. We'll say not professionals. Like this to me almost looked like a repair. But then I'm like, I don't know. Like, is this a like? I just like, obviously, this is not how you do roofing. Okay, anybody probably could tell that. You don't even have to be a roofer to know this isn't how it's supposed to be done. Like, it's just like how did they expect this to last for any period of time? Like, see, this is what, then I saw this and I'm like, why is this like this? Like, why is this such a short piece here? Okay, but again, overexposure. This step flashing around this isn't even done right. Like, first of all, this shingle's sticking way up in the air. I don't even see step flashing under this shingle. Like, yeah, so there's probably going to be issues there. Like, most of this I don't think is done right on this side either. Like, you should be able to see the step flashing underneath the shingle like that, but a lot of them you don't even see that. So, and then right here, this section, I don't know what, there's just tons of nails here. Overexposure. Part of a cab that's not supposed to be exposed. Exposed nails. Nails driven into hard. All the stuff that you would not want to see, you see. So same thing, you know, over here we have overexposure, underexposure, you know, you got everything going on here. So yeah, I hate to say it, but this roof is going to need a lot of attention to bring it up to where I would be comfortable that it's not going to leak. And that being said, it may or may not make sense to replace the whole thing. I don't know. You have to get a roofer out here. I'm not a professional roofer. I'm a home inspector. But again, I was saying, like, so like, you see this here, this area here looks like older shingles. This looks like newer shingles. Like, so like they replaced part of the roof. Yeah, it's very strange. I think now that I'm looking at it again and thinking about it, I think that's what they did. I think they replaced this part of the roof over here. For some reason they didn't do this part, and this looks new as well, but doesn't have, I'm not seeing the same issues as the upper section. So, but yeah, so just a close-up of some of the defects that I found, and I wanted to point those out to you.